On this video, we're going to compare and take a look at the CUSIMAX double and single electric burner hot plates for cooking. One is 1800 watts, the other is 1500, and we're going to compare them to a regular stovetop. We're going to fry up some eggs, we're going to boil some water, and see how quickly it all happens. Stay tuned for the whole video.
We have an outdoor kitchen out there they're building, so even though we have a barbecue, we want to be able to maybe stir fry or do additional sort of things on the side while we're barbecuing. So if you have a portable little generator like we do, and you go camping, you can also bring this with you. So it's got two burners, 1800 watts, and it's stainless steel housing for easy cleaning.
The smaller version is 120 volts and 1500 watts, so the burner does heat up a little faster than the other one because the other two are 900 each. This one has two dials. The first one controls the heat settings 1 through 7, and then the first knob is on and off. Both of the hot plates look pretty good. They're pretty sleek. They have rubber feet and they're made of durable stainless steel, which makes them very easy to clean. Both of these have 7 thermostatically controlled heat settings, which means that it's going to maintain the same temperature throughout. The really cool thing about this, it's so portable that you can have them in the RV, you can take them camping, you can have them in an office setting, or obviously in a backyard next to your barbecue.
Let's take a look at this sticker here. What does it say? AC 120 volts, 60 hertz, 900 watts plus 900 watts. You can plug this into any regular outlet. Now you can get the single one as well, or you can get the two, which is the 180. And we've got 2 cups of water, and we'll turn on our stove, and then we're gonna turn this on. We're gonna turn this on. Yeah, okay, so that's on. We're gonna turn this on, and let's get a lid. Perfect. Cooking time timer. Let's try it for 5 minutes, and let's see which one goes faster. There is some water residual on that stove, that's why it's we're just gonna fast forward so you guys don't have to watch this whole thing. Just gonna grab some ketchup here. I'm just gonna smear this and see how easy it is to clean. Very easy, and you don't have a lot of curvatures on this. It's just one little ridge here, so that makes it a little easier. I cannot take these knobs off, so they're on there. We're at 20 5/8 by 13 inches by 2.5 inches. Okay, so that's done. That's boiling. So it took about 6 minutes. Turn that off. This one is still boiling. Again, this is 900 watts, whereas I'm assuming this is probably 1500. Alright, so it's starting to boil, and it only took an extra 10 minutes.
Now the single burner, it's 1500 watts, so it's an extra 600 watts more than the double burner. Here the water boiled at 13 minutes. One thing you may notice also is the lights turn on and off because that's maintaining a constant temperature so it doesn't fluctuate up and down. Now in terms of eggs and frying up things, it takes about 6 minutes from cold burner all the way to frying on the double burner, and on a single version it takes 5 minutes. So that's the review.
So the consensus here is definitely not a replacement for your standard stove. Again, we're dealing with half the power. It's very hot to the touch. I can hold my hand on here, but it's very hot to the touch. On this side, cooler, but around here, definitely hot. So you definitely want to watch out for that if this is cooking, you do not want to be touching around here. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.